Good morning, everyone. I'm going to talk about the BR course syllabus. In the BR course syllabus, you'll be having 6 subjects. Those are very interesting and easy subjects. You'll be having 3 theory subjects and 2 studio subjects and 1 theory studio subjects. First, we'll see what is the subjects you'll be learning in theory. In theory, you'll be learning about mathematics. Don't worry that you'll have only mathematics only in one semester. And these mathematics also, it is a fundamental of what you learned in your 10th standard and plus 2. So all these comprised together in a nutshell, they have given an engineering mathematics. So this is essential because we need to know about the building volumes and area calculations, all these things. Next, you have English subjects. In the English is a theory subject. It's very essential to have a communication to the clients and also to submit tender documents, detailed report about your project and project appraisal. So all these things you will be learning in advanced English course as a theory subject. Next, you have history of architecture. In the history of architecture, you will be learning about world architecture right from the Western architecture to the Indian architectures. So you will be learning about all the monuments in the histories and who has constructed it, which period, and what is the materials and how do they construct the structures. So you'll be learning about churches, mosques, temples, and all the palaces, all these things. It's an interesting subject to know about our heritage and our architectural values. So these are the 3 theory subjects you'll be learning in your first year of BR. Next we have theory cum studio. In the theory cum studio, first subject is the architectural drawing. So how to draw a plan and how do you draw your elevation of a building. All these details you'll be learning in architectural drawing. And also you'll be learning to draw a square, rectangle, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, octagon in terms of solids, cuboids, cylinders, all these details. And you'll be learning about perspectives, isometric and axonometric views of a building. And also you'll be learning about the interior views, how to do for a building. This is regarding to the architectural drawing. Next we have art studio. So art studio is a studio subjects. You will be having art and architecture. That means you'll be learning about all the art techniques, the paintings, theories, the principles of art and elements of art, all these things. And you'll be learning about some special techniques like watercoloring, poster coloring, rendering, and also hands-on workshop in model making. So you'll be doing models in terms of buildings or volumes using mound boards, puff boards, snow whites, or you'll be using a model in terms of materials like plaster of Paris, and you'll be using a carving tools. You can use also, you'll be using the wood. So it's a hands-on workshop kind of subject. So you'll be doing in all the activities in the class, and at the end of the semesters, you'll be presenting all your works to the university levels. Next, you have a very interesting subject called basic designs. So what are the fundamentals you required for the all these years of architectures? Everything you'll be learning in a nutshell in basic design. So in the basic design, you'll be learning about all the principles, scale, proportions, harmony, rhythm, repetitions, all these things in a detail in terms of model making. And also you'll be learning about the elements of the design, color, textures, and all these things. And you'll be exploring with various materials, not only the paper, you'll be exploring the fabric, you'll be exploring with metals, you'll be exploring with welding, and you'll be exploring with wood, all these materials in the basic design. So this like art studio, it is also the VIOC subjects. You'll be at the end of the semesters, you'll be having the university VIOC. So you'll have totally 6 subjects, 3 theory subjects and 2 studio subjects. One is theory cum studio subjects. For theory and theory cum studio, you need to write the university examinations. For studio subjects, you'll be appearing for the VIVA in the universities. That's all about the syllabus of BR. Hope it will be useful to you. Thank you.